Don't spend above your income. Ana mmecha fieni de mbakọ malu gain ego ne mmekiri. Ana mana mmeki good gain. Ewelu me gain ahụ Jesu ta afio futi. My goods keep on increasing. So the purpose of gain you make is to increase your income. It's not to spend. The gain you make is to increase your income, it's not to spend. Don't rush into expenses. If meaning money, residential building cannot bring any income. If we capital residential building, if God said you will live in a mansion, tomorrow you will, but at a convenient. About 20-something years ago, the standard today, all good no share. But 20-something years ago, this place is but I didn't build it when it was not convenient. Alone in a record time within 2 years. Alone 2 years plus. This place is today is not yet that old building, but I have lived in it about 23 years. 23 years. Because Alohonya na mmiri na amai. Hapu mmiri nya mwabayo. Na achikola ego ha ji azafia JLO 3 stories building. Ka ọ na-anata tenant ego. Ego ahụ tile down, it cannot come out. If you know what you are doing, train your money, build your money. Eziokwu na so many things. Then another thing I want to talk about, biko ndị ụka fix any program unu na-eje ibina n'ụlọ ụka eme ihe ngwarụ. Don't jump from one program to another. Tata ọkachado seti anyị mgbe anyị chegharịrị taa Deeper Life na-eme gbaje echi ndị a na-eme gbaje echi ndị a na-eme gbaje anyị ihe eji nọ na shop ume business na amagharị. I have a covenant with God that Tuesday I eme fellowship ụdị fọsọ ya na-eme ụdị customer ọsọ ka nwe ụdị fọsọ ya na-eme mma hapụ ụdị fellowship. Oge m na-azụ atụba ejo motorcycle afia m natala on a Tuesday bido ụtụtụ nọgide chi na-eji eme olu ebe after train so much jee iwe ahụ ka anyị get fellowship. Ahụ ahụ ka m ji ewecha na-apụta ndị ọkada bụrụ ndị mmadụ na-akpọ gbogbogbogbogbogbo na abịa motorcycle nsị ha ọgị na-asa abịa motorcycle nsị ha nata anyị ji eje fellowship elone ha sị m na chifokwa ọgba ahụ ka nsị ya gbaa jere fellowship because it's a day with God. Jere fellowship eziokwu na njedi obi m na-akụ kparị na afia ya agbakwa ụka. But in what God did, the next morning motorcycle niile na-anata na custom jide na Asaba olu the next morning tupu nteta ụla ndị ọkada pakisha n'ihu be anyị abata ndị na-ele 6,000 na 6,500 7,000. But he said that I have a fellowship. And after that Tuesday, for anything fellowship, I won't follow you. I will face my business. Let me tell you something, because I have spent time. Come to say that truth. Let me tell you something. Prayer alone cannot make you to succeed. And help you. Prayer. Get it. When he healing, what? Get it. Mba, chukwa he magician. You can only get it through what he put in your hand. Also, Moses, or say, use what you have in your hand is what God will best to bless you. Shop, Kashubu is blessing you. It happens shop, you get a fellowship. It happens shop, you get a program. Anybody money and no. It was 3 days in a year. A my fellowship in Mbahaji convention. I'll give you that 3 days. You will go for convention. You have 1 day in a week for fellowship. Outside that, you can never go anywhere. You can't I told my workers, no can for me. You will see if I'm a Christian. Don't worry. Bring this again. Who can that for me? What don't we fact coordinator? I ban night Fiji. When I was coordinator, I ban night Fiji any midweek. Night Fiji must be on Friday. If that Monday, day night Fiji. If that Tuesday, day night Fiji. If that Thursday, day night Fiji. What time do you sleep? What time do you plan your life? You will fail. Jumping from fellowship to fellowship. Preach in season and out of season is being misunderstood. What did Paul say? Wherever you are, be a Christian. Have attitude of Christ in you in your shop. On your back shop, by the time you know your character, you preach in that is preach in season and out. When in season, preach. Out of season, let your character speak. Put them in anything. Oh, was no question and concern. Abam boy now, what? Don't know what? On your no, mamma, no, call anything shit when you are. That's preaching with your character. Oh, I fairly. Stop it fairly. Face your business. Do your business. Otherwise, you do what? You fail. Stop spending anyhow. When somebody in the Bible, I think in the Judges chapter 14, a man concubine Judges 19, 1 to 8. A concubine jelu be nna enyi nwaanyị ọhụkwa nwunye nna enyi nwaanyị. Bible say eating and drinking. The first day ọbịalụ onye eme business ọbịalụ na origide nne origide mmanya chichi papa oye nwaanyị sanyala ọla olukwu ụtụtụ echi origide origide nchiji kwọsela olukwa dị n'eze origide origide nchiji kwọsela dị n'eze okwude n'uchichi ụzọ ebe ọla hụrụ ndị obodo ahụ pụta jide enyi nwaanyị ahụ bụkasị ya so ọ na-achị ya ịmalụ obodo Judges 19, 1 to 4. Ọ na-alụ bekuo Israel saa na-alụ eme na nwunye ka egbukasịrị mba obodo a Israel jere agha lụọ ejide Israel masaka. Foolishness. God didn't stand with people of Israel because a fool who has no business but eating and drinking. Many of us know a business of eating and drinking. That is too bad. You cannot succeed. Are you listening to me? What do you do? A man, nwoke na-acha na diamond dodo. O wee lee ana wele ego na-akpagharị na-acha na diamond dodo. Nwoke Goliana jeburu ọgụ bụ shovel na-alụ ọrụ n'ala ahụ lụkata anwụ na-acha owelite ihu fụ ebe ihe na-amụkesi o jewe ebe ahụ ruo ọ bụrụ na ọ diamond. Onye nwe ebe ahụ elego na-achọ diamond, onye goghị elu n'ụlọ ọrụ ọ bụrụ na diamond. What am I trying to say? Face what you are doing squarely, there is diamond in it. But you can't see that diamond until you start working. I didn't check my time when I started. I used to time myself, but I made mistake. How long have I spoken? Only 1 hour. N'aka n'anything police ejidego, etinyere aka n'anything custom ejidego. 419, any crooked business, don't put hand in it. There are too many genuine business which you have not seen. Why are you looking for the other one? Let me tell you the danger. The money can vanish one day. Oh, one money you shall one day, Obata, some not your little okay, contractor, I have 3 contractors. Before you know it, also only any major who was on our complaint, the contractor had offer. He said, okay, when Aluno said, or some man make his best. Look, I can full speed the Hadialo, all. And man, at this building, after the first decking, that building they were looking at for more than 20 years. What was the reason? The kind of business he was caught. Please don't put your hand in any contraband goods. I advise you, your money can vanish. These contraband goods, they make hell of money, but their money can vanish one day. They have money, but their money can vanish one day. Put yourself off from those things. Face a genuine business. By the grace of God, you will make it. Once you are committed to that, you will make it. Provided in a genuine business. Don't put yourself in those things. Then finance. To do business, I may end with it. Ụfọdụ ego ji ha na ha eme ife ha chọrọ ime. Maybe o nwere ebe anya ya dị, mana ego ebe ahụ anya ya adịghọ. Ọbịagwụfọ onye enye ego. Look for something small and start with it. I will tell you a life story. A little girl, a boy, I know on a fellowship, the fellowship want to help him, but not the way. They asked for a relation, the sister, not the way. To make sure only one day I was in my office, the sister, Bata, Mona Kenecho, Simubiko, not a community, I can say, I actually be that. Say ha, I'm about trouble. Then can you be the after say, after getting a fruit. Come and see a very beautiful young lady. See, name is after fruit. I couldn't believe it. He said, go make it 5,000. American about 5,000 here. Upon all new fruit. Anytime no matter a new fruit, mafia. Ụmụ okolobịa bido maka ọma mma na-ebife ị na-ebife ife ọ chọrọ ogo zoro afịa ife ịda na-akọ ọ na-akalịghị agba ị na-azụ afịa emegide one day mpụtazie mmafịa si na-enwetago nwa ahazi mafịa I forgot about her. Only one day anọ m ọfịs through the window mfịa ka ọ na-abata si na ebe n'ebe Igbo na ọbịa ịkọ story ọbata n'ọla na ụmụ black waterproof ogu omechi obinite black waterproof anyị mepee ya ọwụla azụ ọkpọ ahọrọ ọfụma nnali edoba na-ege ntị akụkọ ọsị na onwe ihe ọ bịa gwa m sị ha gwa m ihe ọ ọsị na onwe ihe ọ chọ igosi m nsị ihe ya egosi na ọsị nsị ebe gị ka ọ dị ọsị ka anyị pụọ n'ilo mụ na ya wee pụọ n'ilo ọwụ moto egolu ka ọ bụ igosi m. They call the car then pure water golf. Mbịa mfe nsị na how manage ọsị na nwee ike ịma na mahazi afọ ya n'ukwu fruit ahụ nsị yes na mahazi afọ ọsị na ya nọ ebe ahụ na-esevu ego na mgbe ahụ ya bie na m ego na atịkụl ka ị chọrọ ịzụ mana ya amaghị na ezigbo mmụnye ego ka e wegezụ atịkụl na wee sị nnọọ fruit ya na-azụ fruit ahụ na-esevu ego sevute ego wee gezie mepee atịkụl ahụ ka ọ na-azụ wee kpata ego gọlf bịa ka afọ ụmụnne ya olugo otu ụmụ nsọ onye akọvọ anụọdị nwoke so okirikiri n'olu ya.
Yeah, thank you for watching this video, this powerful message. You watch part 2 in the next video that I will post on my YouTube channel. So I will, because the video is very long, I will be posting it 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch the next one. Yeah, thank you.